Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cut TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In today's episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Mary Macbean, and the cup number is cup 1103051_1648. It's called Cream Bouquet Wrapover Card Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets in the actual kit and it makes the full card, and it's approximately 7 by 5 inches when it's finished. You get sentiments and lots of decoupage, and I've got to say it's a beautiful kit, and I'm going to run through what you get on the 4 sheets and then we'll go ahead and make the card. Now this is the first sheet. This is the card inside and the inside right front. And I know as you're looking at it, you're thinking, I have no idea what you mean, Anne-Marie. Well, it will all become very clear when we make the card. Now, Mary's included where you need to score to make folds, because we've got a flap here to add the left side to the card, because this is the centre back panel. As you open the card, this is what you'll see. So, as I say, it's a beautiful card. It's very easy. It just, especially for new crafters, it will just look a bit strange on the separate sheets. So you will need to score and fold along those edges. Our second sheet is the front left and the right front. Again, it will become very clear as we go through it. We've got some extra sentiments as well. Our next sheet is the outside back and the inside front. Again, we'll go through them, and I've got a very good tip for you as well for remembering which bit is which. And then our last sheet is the decoupage that we're going to build up for the flowers for the inside of the card. So now I'm going to show you all the sections that you cut out, and it might become a little bit clearer. So as I've cut all the sections out, this is a top tip. Write on the back which bits they are. Now you'll probably only need this the first time that you make it, and because I have to cut everything out and prep, it just helps me knowing where I'm putting which section. But for new crafters, I think it's kind of cool because it can help. So we've got 2 sections that we're going to just put to one side now, and we're going to put our right front just to one side now. So we're going to take our right back, our outside back, shall we say, because this is the main body of the card. I'm going to turn it over, and this is the inside back. So we're going to match our outside back to the inside back. And now you're thinking, you're making it double-sided. Yes, I am. So we'll just add in the outside back, which I've got double-sided tape on the back of, to the back of the inside of the card. There we go. So we'll add that and press it down. We then want the front right. So we need the right front. So we're going to match those 2 sections up. Again, double-sided tape on the back. And, and pull the carrier sheet away. And then we can add the next panel, taking it up to the fold and then pressing it down. So we can turn everything over, and I'm going to use a bone folder to make sure I've got a nice sharp crease, and then I'm also going to make sure I've still got a crease at the other side. There we go. Now for the other side, I have the 2 sections, the inside front, which I am going to attach to the flap that you've cut out, I've added double-sided tape to the flap, and I'm going to peel away the tape. I'm going to take the edge of the section and butt it up to the folded edge, covering the flap, and then when I'm happy it's in position, press it down. I'm then going to just fold it over and take the last flap, which is the left front, and cover over the edge. I've got double-sided tape on the back, so I can peel away the carrier sheet. And there we go, the last section. And then I'm going to match up edge to edge, like so. One corner and the bottom corner, and then press down. So now I have a fully double-sided card. See, I said it was cool. So they fold over, but now we can build the decoupage in the centre of the card, because we've got a panel to write in or to add a sentiment to. We've got the decoupage to build up in the centre. So I've cut out the first layer of the flowers. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm simply going to match up the image to the layer I've cut out. I've got the second layer, again 3D foam on the back. I'm going to match up again from the previous layer. Next, our third layer. So it's all about matching those flowers together, layer by layer, all with 3D foam on the back. The fourth layer, again 3D foam on the back. There we go. Press it down. And then the last single flower, 3D foam on the back. And now then, there. Press that down. Now I've also got a sentiment as well. I was going to add the sentiment with the flowers, but I thought, do you know what? I think I'm going to add it to the front, just above that little bow, just to be different. There we go. Little bit of flat tape just on one section at the back. And that is our beautiful card finished. And look at that stunning decoupage in the centre. Those beautiful layers, 5 layers of flowers. And a nice panel for you to write your own personal message. It folds together and it's just a gorgeous kit. I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 1103051_1648, and it's by Mary Macbean, and you can search for any of Mary's designs by just popping Mary's name into the search bar on the Craftsuprint website, and if you type in Mary Macbean it will bring up Mary's designs. So I would just like to finally say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.